everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache in Google Chrome on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what cache is. Cache is a temporary data that Chrome saves to help websites load faster, but over time, this data can build up and cause problems like slow loading, websites not updating, or pages not working properly. Clearing the cache will fix these issues. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Chrome app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now look at the bottom of the corner, tap on the three dots. This opens the Chrome menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing Data. You will see several options here. Make sure cached image and files is checked. This is the cache we want to clear. If you want, you can also select browsing history or cookies, but this is optional. If you only want to clear cache, just leave cached image and file selected. At the bottom of the screen, tap Clear Browsing Data. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Clear Browsing Data again to confirm. And that's it. We have successfully cleared the cache in Google Chrome on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.